Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden messages on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way is going to be going into your Messages app. And once you open it up, what you're going to do is click on where it says filter here. It'll take you to this option page where you have different messages that can filter, basically get hidden from the main mailbox. So for example, if you recently deleted something, you might see under recently deleted, it might be listed here. In order to see the content, you have to click on it and then click on recover, and then recover it will take you back to the main page. Other places also to check is unknown sender. Sometimes some of the messages get filtered right there, and then unread messages as well. Sometimes you might have missed a message or it's been hidden, it'll come up here. So these are some places to check for some of the hidden messages on your iPhone. So just go back here, check through each of the folder, and you should see if you have missed something or a hidden message wasn't able to see before, you'll be able to see it. Now another thing to consider is that in your setting on your iPhone here, under messages setting, there is a setting called, which is turned on by default, which is message filtering. Basically, whenever you get a message from someone unknown that's not in your contact, the messages will go into that unknown or separate folder, which you may not see. You can turn this off if you want to receive all messages from whoever messages you. That might be a toggle that you might want to turn off, but keep in mind, by turning this off, you might get spam and other unknown text messages that you might not want. So in that case, you'll need to turn it on. So keeping on and off, you can see what that does for you. Now another way to find hidden messages, it's going to be slightly different. It's a longer process to follow, but if you really wanted to know, is that your messages get backed up on iCloud. So in your settings here, you're going to go into iCloud messages, or basically iCloud here. So in the settings, then click on iCloud, and then where it says apps using iCloud, show all, you're going to see if you have messages in iCloud turned on or off. Now, if you don't have this turned on, you might consider turning it on. If there's messages that are in iCloud, they might not appear on your phone. You can sync it between that and see, and then opening up your messages, you'll see the hidden ones that weren't available here. So just use this iPhone so you can see those messages from the iCloud. It'll give you an idea how many messages are there as well, and also the last time it was synced. So as you can see here, the sync between these didn't happen. And that also brings us to another option you can do, is that if you aren't syncing to iCloud and you made a backup on your phone of your messages, what you can do is factory reset your iPhone and then take the backup that you have, restore your phone from that backup. In that sense, you'll be able to get those hidden messages. Now that process does take a little bit of time. We're going to link you to another video that will go through that process to do it, but that's also going on if you wanted to get into some of the more advanced ways to find hidden messages. So that's how to find hidden messages on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.